seriously cold morning this morning. My hands are freezing already and it's only been an hour. Few jobs left to do. Put the little shelf or capping on the panelling, and then to panel around the bath to the little decorative strips, and we should be on our way. Right, another job done, ready to put bath in. Right, are you going to be alright now, man?
Right. Which way are you going? That way?
That way. That's it. Well, you get in and on the thing.
You alright?
Yep. Right, move it down that way first of all. Right, so flip it over. That's it. You got it?
Yeah.
Put it down. Flip it over. All the way over. You got it? Yeah. Oh, mind.
So exciting, we're getting a bath that we can't use. I'm all excited that we're getting a bath and then remembered that we can't actually use it because we don't have a prosthetic yet.
Well, it's exciting in the fact that it looks good.
Yeah.
So I think we just put these in and decide where we want them. Get it roughly, and then we just have to. But the nice thing is, you're probably better to get underneath it. Right? Or you will. So that's 5/30. It's going to come up a little bit. A little bit more. That's it. A little bit more. That's it. Lovely. So this goes obviously in here.
That's the way best.
That's quite a long one, I suppose I can cut that. Cut that pipe. I've got to cut that pipe now. Yeah. I suppose you can cut that pipe.
What are you concerned about?
Well, whether the drain goes high enough up.
Oh.
To connect to that, because we've got quite a big distance between there and there. There is a thought of whether I've got any kind of, because you know, obviously this goes on here like this, yeah, and then connects to the pipe. Right. But there may be that might be too low, so it means I've got to find something to connect them two together, i.e. a little bit of pipe. This is gonna need my hand in a minute. I know. Sorry, look. Right, so we got to hook that on. So we got to pick the bath up and sort of like hook it on. Right, so pick it up and hook it on.
Yes. Oh look, we've got the Andrex dog. Are you being the Andrex dog, Betsy? She got toilet roll.
You're here sorting out, you dafty. Yeah? Look, oh, you little puppy dog. Little puppy dog. Look. Little puppy dog. God blimey, governor.
Betsy, give me that.
I don't screw it up all the time, do I?
No. Oh, it looks really good.
25.
I'm so excited.
It's bloody lovely. Yeah. Is that going to be alright height wise?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Let's see if it breaks. Perfect. Oh, and the nice thing is you can put your neck on here and your head and they can have a read of your book. Nice shelf for me cup of tea.
Yeah, it's well out of the way.
Cool.
Well, I've got those over bar things that I made.
Yeah.
Still got a couple of them. Oh, I don't know what time it is. It's late, 7 o'clock, something like that. So what I've had to do for this cladding is rip up 18 pieces of this. Okay, so this is floorboard, as we know, and what we've done is we've planed it down to 15mm. Let me just show you this. Can you see that? That's all the planer chippings. It's about a foot deep now. My dogs love it. And then each one of these has had a little tongue cut into it, as you see, a little rebate to fit underneath the lip of the bath. And then we've got to burn everyone because we want nice and dark, so we're doing that. Got a few left to do, and then after that we've got to paint. Happy days. Right, there you go. All burnt up and ready for paint. They look nice in this light, don't they?
So finally, the bathroom is complete. Just one last job, and that is the frou-frou. Tomorrow we have a special surprise for you, but Thursday will be the before and afters. Pigsty to luxury bathroom.